Good evening, Ponce Automobile family. Merry Christmas to all. Habibi. Of course, let's not forget the reason why we're celebrating this season, as we should be grateful for the remembrance of our dear Lord and Savior, for this season. Also, I would like to give special thanks to Sir Jojo, Ma'am Rolin, and the whole Ponce family. It is such a privilege to be in this company. I am giving this message on behalf of the team. Actually, this is a shared sentiment also for everybody. We know that this year has been especially challenging. We have our challenges, we have our ups, we have our downs. Sometimes it gets to a point already that the finish line is very hard to see. It's getting very difficult to see the bright side of the situation. Sometimes even when I get my regular calls from Sir Jojo, instead of anticipating a scolding, it's more on we feel a little bit ashamed of our situation. But I'm very happy that just before our presentation, we were able to honor the achievers this year. It's been a very good push, for our morale. Everybody, I'm speaking on behalf of the team, that everybody wants to be Christian. So shout out to Christian for being an inspiration to the team. And because of that, actually, we believe that we can overcome this obstacle. We believe that we can achieve our dreams, especially with the support of everybody. So, in behalf of Ponce Automobile Corporation Dumaguete, this is our way of saying thank you and a blessed Christmas to all.
If I could see to